and it will benefit that can benefit us.
Sure.
That would be really helpful.
So let me first introduce myself. I am Vikram Arora. By education मैं एक architect और interior designer हूँ. मैंने masters भी किया interior design में, and I did some private jobs. After that, उसके बाद I also went to Chandigarh University as an assistant professor to teach BTech students. Now I give on independent entrepreneurship webinars and seminars to small colleges, so that how students can go out of the circle of you may say jobs, right? So now I am representing Enagic. This is I have just joined you just to give the information of this. Enagic is a Japanese company. It is being backed by Skill India, and this is my certificate that affiliates me to actually give this. So negatively charged ions are drawn to the positive electrons, ions with a positive charge like calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and raise the pH. तो बेसिकली इस टेक्नोलॉजी का मेन मुद्दा ये है कि ये तीन प्रॉपर्टीज आपके पानी में चेंज करती है. एल्कलिनिटी वन ऑफ द पॉइंटर्स है. एल्कलिनिटी वन ऑफ द पॉइंट है. तीन प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है? पहली बात, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स आपको देगी. दूसरा, आपको एल्कलाइन और एसिडिक पानी में डिफरेंस बताने के लिए इसमें एक एसिडिक पानी भी निकलेगा और एल्कलाइन पानी भी निकलेगा. एल्कलाइन के बहुत सारे और ऑप्शंस भी होते हैं कि अगर आप ओके should I speak only English? I'm sorry, I didn't ask. Okay, so I repeat that the properties of this water include three things: antioxidation, alkaline, and ionized water, right? तो पहले we just go to the first part, that is antioxidation. The positive ORP measure indicates the instability. The solution with the positive ORP is electrons hungry. So what this concept is, give me 2 minutes to explain this concept, sir. Whenever we are working, whenever I am talking, whenever I am doing anything, oxygen is getting in and our organs have to donate electrons to give that power to my body so that I can walk, I can run. And this creates free radicals. So if I am not putting that surplus electrons from that water, from anything, like it could be fruits, it could be vegetables, it could be anything, into my body as free radicals, then वो free radicals actually create a problem in your body which actually oxidizes your organs. तो इसके लिए पता कैसे लगता है? This is just an extra expert from University of Maryland जो उन्होंने अपनी रिसर्च की थी, research which they did. They said कि अगर एक बॉडी को ग्राउंड किया जाए, जैसे हम मड बाथ लेते हैं, we take mud bath from all the fields, the electrons get into our body which reduces all the oxidative stress. But protons on the other hand, the positive charge protons are actually used to actually cure cancer or tumor, not cure but eradicate by burning all the tissues on the way. So this is just a small recap on electrons and protons. How do we find that? We find out this by this. तो अभी हम आपको जो पहला इसका एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो हम एक बार करके दिखाएंगे इससे. I'll show you. अब इनका होने लगा है, ये बंद कर दें नीचे से. So we are taking two waters, one from this machine and other was taken from the RO which you have taken. So as you can see the readings, minus, right? This is minus in readings. So that means it is having electrons. While this will come in positive. Right? आप एक बार पढ़िए, हम पढ़िए एक साथ क्लास. ये देखिए सर, this is positive charge. That means it is already oxidized. But this water which we have just taken is negative charge. These are all the surplus electrons, right? All right, sir. So this is the first part, where what we say is that whenever we work, whenever we do anything, you can say any work which requires some power. In fact, whenever a body is attacked by any external problem, like it could be corona, or it could be any disease, first oxidation process takes place to burn and to take the electrons from that disease, and then antioxidation step takes place to actually replace or replenish that burnt part or the oxidative part. This I am reading from Dr. Dave Carpenter's book Change Your Water, Change Your Life.
What is that meter called?
ORP meter, Oxidation Reduction Potential Meter, right? तो ये सिर्फ आपके पानी में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या सरप्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है कि नहीं है ये बताता है. It just tells the free electrons. How it comes is H2O is equal to H positive and OH negative. So when during the electrolysis OH negative ions are more, it will create this negative effect, right? So as you have seen the levels of the negative point, whenever you drink anything, आप कुछ भी पिएं, whenever you drink, it is having an associated ORP level points. So if you are drinking this bottled water or the water which you have just taken, the RO water, it is having the positive charge. That means as soon as it is going inside you, it is already an electron hungry water. So that organ or that stomach or wherever it goes, it has to donate electrons. That means by drinking that water, you are already oxidizing your own organs. But whenever you drink any orange juice, fresh orange juice will contain at least minus 200 ORP, 100 to minus 200 ORP. Green tea will get minus 100 ORP. Fresh fruits and vegetables. So whenever we used to have fresh fruits and vegetables for us every morning. That was the reason that we used to get antioxidants. Then this machine from which I showed the water, the ORP must have been around between minus 300, minus 400, sir, right? So this is the first property. First property is it will give you antioxidants to your own body, right? Next come to your point, sir, alkalinity. So alkalinity, sir, क्या होती है? That is the concentration of pH. ये हम किसी भी चीज में खीरा चूना मिला के हम इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. आर्टिफिशियली की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. So in this case,
alkaline foods are given today, or vitamin C, E and D3 are given because they are antioxidant. And in alkalinity, this cancer dies. That is the I've studied a lot of.
Yeah. So this is what Dr. Henrik Warburg got the Nobel Prize for, right? So in this case, sir, एक और चीज होती है alkalinity में कि अगर that I have researched on this as well कि if there's a waterfall of more than 20 feet and if it touches the rock after that, that water also becomes the same water that we are getting. Same properties, just because of the electron feature of rock which takes the electrons directly from earth. So now this water is also, as you have expected, will be alkaline in nature. Ma'am, legi pani. ये देखिए सर, this is the pH. This is the pH and this is the pH, right? So whenever you take an water from RO or something, whenever the candle is installed, it also becomes slightly alkaline in nature, right? Here you go, sir. This is exactly 9.5 pH, right?
दोनों सेम ही आया 8.17 है.
से 9 तक जाएगा, राइट? ये आपका 8.5 तक जाएगा. प्लस एक और चीज इसमें डिफरेंस मैं दिखा सकता हूँ, where hydrogen levels. So this water won't be having any hydrogen level, right? But this water, जो कि बहुत देर पहले निकला हो, will be having extreme levels of hydrogen level. this always crosses 1000.
There is a technique of, you can read it, of Wim Hof. It
Okay.
can raise up to 30.
1300
13, yeah, pH level.
pH level of 13.
Wim
सर
Hof
इसमें
की-
11.5 का pH मैक्सिमम निकलता है, उसका भी यूज क्या होता है वो भी मैं आगे बताऊंगा.
अभी तो फिलहाल 9 के करीब है बस.
हाँ अभी 9 पर, क्योंकि इसमें 9.5 है ना. क्या होता है जब पानी एक बार निकल के whenever the water is actually taken out in this glass, it starts getting oxidized. So the life of this water when opened is 15 minutes. When closed in bottle, like I have bought this bottle, it's 1 day. That's the life of this water. It won't harm you of the reason of the simple factors. As I have told you about this technology, it is having two parts. So first part is this filter. तो यहाँ पे एक filter है. I'll just rotate it so that everybody could see. So this is the filter which actually removes chlorine from your water. No RO will actually reduce that. And the second part are the plates. So once the chlorine is removed from the water, the plates actually electrolysis happens. And as the electrolysis happens, 9.5 water you are drinking, 14 pH is the total level. Rest of the pH during the electrolysis goes as a beauty water, which is a pH of 5.5. Why do we call beauty water is your skin, your hair are all of pH 5.5. So one thing you all must have understood while you are bathing for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, your skin, many people actually face that skins are actually getting peeled off. That's just because the water is of chlorine and the water is microclustered. Now, what is microclustering? We'll come here. So this is a short video on explaining the microclustering of this water. In this video, both the waters had same temperature, but just because this water is microclustered, it dissolved the green tea. We have another example to show you the microclustering that we'll show you right now. Oil. पहले hold डालते हैं. काम के लिए ऐसे नहीं. Okay. So ये सरसों का तेल है. This is सरसों का तेल जहाँ पे where we actually make all the fruits and vegetables.
Mustard oil.
Mustard oil, yeah. Thanks for correcting my English, sir. It's been a long time since I have studied that. Right, and this is 11.5 water. Right. So I'll just pass it around. What has actually happened to this oil? It has emulsified the oils. Right. Right. So what is the effect of that? See, we are actually surrounded by oils. We have foods in which we use mustard oil. We have fruits and vegetables that are actually covered with pesticides which are oil based. So what we do is regular practice that once the fruits and vegetables come, we have a full bowl of water and we just put it and just for 15-20 minutes and then we clean, and it's only the dust that is removed. But when we actually dip the same things in this water, 11.5, all the oil based pesticides are taken out. Right. So this is all about the water. Right. So Paryar sir actually asked okay, what will be the pricing of this machine if they have to install at their homes, because this is a machine that is first for your institute, but first before that is for your own homes, for your own residential.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
One was the oxidation.
Antioxidation.
Electron you had to introduce.
Yeah.
Second was pH.
Yeah.
And what is third benefit?
Microclustering. पतला पानी. So if एक बार इन सबको पानी पिलाइए before, if you are not if you are comfortable drinking water before coffee, then definitely we can give the water to everyone. एक बार मैम पानी पिला दीजिए glasses में.
So what is the benefit of that?
Ma'am, sir.
You didn't concentrate on that.
Microclustering. Okay. Microclustering is something what we call, whenever we drink the water, normal water absorption level is 17 to 18%, 17 से 18%. But this water, because it is microclustered, it is absorbed at a rate of 70 to 80%. That means even if you drink 1 liter of this water, I can guarantee you that even if you get up after drinking 1 liter of water, you won't feel that clogging in your stomach. If you are
water, whatever you take, it will whatever after absorption, it will go out, right?
it will be absorbed in 3 seconds maximum. 0.3 seconds is the fastest. It first goes to your brain. So many times who actually experience the water first, first time they experience the head rush, because already our bodies are acidic. Water levels are going down in our body. Water levels are going down in our body. That doesn't mean we don't drink that much of water. That means that water required to antioxidize your organs is less. So this book even actually says, so whenever you are dehydrated, first thing that happens to your body is जो आपका excretory function है, आपका the function which actually excretes all the dirt from all over the body, it stops and it is hampered. That causes your blood to actually change. That causes your all the functions to change. So I'll just show you a very short video, 2 minutes video, just on the same concept.
Let us see how this type of water affects human blood. The doctor is drawing blood from a patient's finger. Using a special microscope, we shall be able to see the condition of her body from this drop.
These are red blood cells, and they've lost their electrical charge, so they're all stuck together in a formation called a rouleau. Here's a huge symplast. Symplasts are associated with heart disease and arthritis and lung disease and many other conditions that could be coming in the future.
The doctor asks the patient to drink a small amount of structured water. After 12 minutes, the doctor again draws blood from the patient and studies it.
So you can see that the cells then become buoyant, they become slippery, and they have their electrical charge, so they repel each other. That allows them to carry oxygen, and it means that we're changing the pH of the blood back to an aerobic environment rather than an anaerobic environment. I think that's utterly amazing that just drinking water could do that.
So this is how we have compared all the blood cells. Like when we wake up, all frozen. When we drink coffee, tea every morning, like many of us, like me, are having a habit of drinking tea. Then this is RO water, this is Kangen water. So the speed of your blood cells actually define how healthy you are. If your blood cells are free, they are not clotted at present. These changes come in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So if you actually observe your own blood under electron microscope after drinking coffee and then after drinking water, this change will happen in 10 minutes.
And how long it remains?
How long
This change remains.
How long this change remains? If you drink coffee again, it will reverse back to clotting. Right? So this is an effect on a diabetic patient after 3 months. So I have reports on my blog hydrationexpert.in where I have shown the medical reports of a patient where the sugar levels have gone drastically down in 3 months. Cholesterol levels have gone down from 700 to 100 in 1 year just by drinking water. So now you will be able to understand what kind of a power this water is having. it is having microclustering so that it reaches your cells first. Why does sugar happen? Sugar happens just because that blood cell is not capable enough to give all the lactose, fructose to different parts of the body, and hair and skin is that organ where it takes maximum power for any blood to reach.
So just I want to ask one question.
Yes, sir.
You mentioned so many health benefits.
Yes, sir.
It is in the market for 30 years.
Yes, sir.
Why other companies are not making these things? Only one your company.
Because this is patented, sir. The
It
technology.
is 20 years only, right? Not beyond that. So nobody can claim that after 20 years nobody can do that. So why LG or any other people are not making this thing? See, the patent, RO system also patented. Many people started because they will do some modification, technical modification, they can patent it and they can, everybody can start. Now the worldwide RO system came very recently. Within 20 years, everybody is manufacturing. So why other people are not adopting this technology? Because it has not reached widely. So there is a skepticism that, whether it is whatever you claim, how to trust that. That's why I am saying why no other company is making it.
Sir, if you Google, I want ionizers. Yes, ionizers. Because this is an ionizer. You will see kind.
No. Is there any other company making similar technology? Similar.
I'm explaining. Let me explain, sir. Let me explain. These companies make ionizers with the same technology of electrolysis. Right? But since the technology is patented by Japanese ministry, 11.5 pH water and 2.5 pH water. This is the only machine in the world. This is the only company in the world that can give it. Right? Second
What
point.
pH it can give?
Huh?
What pH value it can give?
11.5 and 2.5. Right? Second reason, yes, there are competitors. Yes, there are other companies making those ionizers, but there are huge differences. Difference number one, and the basic difference is this machine is having plates. Other machines are having nets. Jalis in them, nets. So because of that, in the previous slides you have read that it is having positively charged calcium and magnesium. So whenever you drink this water, calcium and magnesium is in an activated form. And this machine actually requires cleaning after 3 months, auto cleaning. No third party required, no third person required. In these plates, just because this is not a net, it is easy to clean and it is having a life of 30 years. But since other companies are using net just to commoditize their product according to market and according to India, they are using net and they have a life of 1 year, 1 to 1.5 years. So yes, if your question was that does the similar technology or the competitors exist? Yes, they exist. But the branded technology like iPhone, I am using an iPhone. It is having competitors. Samsung is a competitor, but people like me who understand the use and the relevance of iPhone will never go to Android.
So who are the main competitors for this type of product?
Sir, you will find Tynt, you will find Panasonic, which even gives it in a very subsidized rate of 35,000 rupees, right? But the life expectancy of that is just 1 year or 6 months. So after 1 year or 6 months, plus since it is a leader, since 27 years the technology is proven, used by various people. If I show you, these people are actually using this technology. Dr. Subhash Chandra, Dr. Rajpal.
No, that's all one few samples that I do not want.
What is the price?
Yeah, I come to the price. So we are having 4 models. These are all the certificates. I'll also WhatsApp you all the certificates. Yeah. So I can come to the slide. There are 4 models, as you can see, sir. The first model starts at 2.2 lakhs. It is having 4 plates. This is the model, I think. This JR4, JR2. Okay, the model is discontinued. JR4, similar to this, 4 plates. The second model comes at 2.77 lakhs, 2,000 rupee delivery fee, 2.79 lakhs, which is having 7 plates. The third model comes at 3.43 lakhs, and it is having 8 plates. But why the cost is that difference is because this is a completely automatic machine, completely automatic and completely compact machine. Then this is a commercial unit that we wanted every organization should have, every hospital should have, that is Level X Super 501, which is having 12 plates, 6 plates for each for each use. Like for drinking, it uses 6 plates, and for making 11.5 2.5 water, that is a medical grade water, it has separate 6 plates. So I also have 2.5 water, which is natural antibacterial and antifungal water. I used to go 24/7 outside my house during the lockdown too. Many times I used to feel that I was not able to breathe. I had a cough and all, sneezing. I just used to drink this much of a water.
How much wastage?
How much wastage? Sir, you can see for yourself, sir. इसमें wastage नहीं होता है, because this is drinking water, and the water which is coming on the second hose, this hose, it is a beauty water. So whenever you apply, it is chlorine free first. Second, it is having a pH of 5.5 to 6 pH, depending on the water which you are taking out. So the difference will be from 14 pH. So 5.5 to 6 pH you will get, which your body will absorb, and your hair fall, and even the hair density will increase. Your face pimples will go, your rashes will go from that water.
One thing is delivery INR 2000. What is it?
Yeah.
You have written below the
Yeah.
price.
In every product you take, you first.
Delivery charge.
Huh?
Is it delivery charge?
It's a delivery charge. It's a delivery charge because these products are not assembled anywhere. This is the third difference between the competitors and this. This is an OEM company. From the software to the hardware to every element is made by Energic under one factory. So in my YouTube channel Hydration Expert, you can see that video as well of their own factory, where the water is being, where the machines are being manufactured. Before they actually delivered at your place or residence or office, wherever, they are actually checked by 5 people. So many a times when you get this machine, there is some water dripping out because it's already checked of working. Yes, sir.
Life and maintenance.
So life of these plates, because the plates are of titanium platinum coated, it is having a life of 30 years. Maintenance, yes, everything has a maintenance. First maintenance point is that whenever you are installing the machine, every day morning 2 minutes, just switch on the beauty water. It will reverse the electrolysis, and if there is any calcium deposits, it will go out. It will just reverse the electrolysis. So in that case, this hose will be giving the beauty water, which is for face wash, which is for bathing and everything, and this hose will give 8.5 to 9 pH water, which can be used for watering plants, which can be used for any other purposes other than drinking. So this is for 2 minutes. Yes, sir.
The capacity,
Huh?
whatever you are discussing, we don't have any control over any individuals who live here. They prepare their own thing. So the low capacity things we cannot discuss anything. If at all we wanted to take any decision, it is for hostels, where in your single hostel maybe 400 people will be there. So we need a huge capacity, large capacity.
Yeah.
Do you have such thing?
Yeah. Super machine, Super 501 machine level. See,
how much? First is how much
Delivery,
is the
delivery,
output? How much is the output of each machine, and what is the rate
Sir,
of output?
every
That is
machine-
what is the first question.
sir, every machine, the output is dependent on 2 points. First, the water which is available. Second, the pressure of the pump. See, in this I have installed water, and this is a pump. So if any of the things, electricity, water or pressure is missing, it won't work. So if you are applying the pressure of the pump, it will actually take out 3 liters per minute of water. So Super 501, as I can also have another meeting with your people who are the decision makers for the hostels and for the student heads, if they will like to learn about this technology. This machine can dispense 3 liters in 1 minute of water.
And this can be done continuously.
This can be done continuously depending on power and water. Again,
Power and water.
yeah.
3 liters.
So 180 liter per hour.
And after 1 hour, it needs a rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then again.
After 1 hour.
After 1 hour, after 180 liters.
But 5 minutes.
Okay. But in hostel etc. Student will come, go. So they won't be stopping for drinking water. So you need some kind of a tank for filling that tank, and then from tank you take. Is it like that, or is it how?
Sir,
how
it
are
is, sir, if they have to take, they will have to take it fresh.
Yeah, so continuously means some student will come, will
Yeah.
take water, then again after 2 minutes some student will come.
Yeah,
take
no
water.
problem, no
So
problem.
they have
any
to
shelf
continue.
value?
Huh?
Shelf value doesn't have shelf life.
No, sir.
No
We don't
shelf life.
recommend on the shelf life, because what happens is
And
all
then
the
actually 180
positive.
liter actually per hour, it's a very short quantity.
No, that is what I was saying. Is it continuous process?
Sir,
For
then we
example,
can install
somebody-
multiple machines. If one hostel is having 2 floors or 3 floors, we can actually install multiple machines. Because if a person actually takes out 1 liter of water at time, the person actually next batch, वो तो 1 minute में वो चला
Basically,
जाएगा.
it's a domestic model, not industrial model.
नहीं, this is a commercial model, sir. Completely
Commercial
commercial
means
model.
it should give deliver huge quantity.
Huh?
At least 150 liters per minute actually. What we have right now.
Okay, you already have 150 liters per minute.
ROs, etc.
ROs and etc.
It's a
So,
plant.
huh?
It's a RO plant.
RO plant. I come to that, sir.
It's
In
150 liter
RO,
per hour actually. It's not minute.
huh?
150 liter per hour.
150 liters per hour, right? So, 150 liters per hour, and this is 3 liters per minute
You are
and
saying 180 liter per.
per hour.
But you have to take actually direct actually, na? We cannot. This doesn't have shelf life, na?
Sir,
We cannot store it.
सर इसमें
RO water can be stored.
सर स्टोर के लिए तो स्टोर्ड वाटर के अगेंस्ट ही तो हम जा रहे हैं. द होल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन इज लाइक कि हम
हमारा
ऑलरेडी
पर्पस भी तो सर्व होना चाहिए सर.
Actually, the purpose is that the DJB water is limited, and we supply the normal water at a very limited period of time in morning and evening. So this machine, according to me, will work only at that period when we are supplying water. But
Okay.
the question of whatever the requirement is very different.
Okay. So in this case, what will happen is I understood.
Have you supplied to any education institute?
Yes, sir. There are many institutes that are actually having this water, but I'll show you in the documents, sir. Definitely, I'll give you with the documentation where they are using it. Definitely, whenever there is a change of technology, sir, there has to be a change in infrastructure as well. Infrastructure, देखिए, the basic thing about this storing is, जैसे मैंने अभी water निकाला, this is the water taken out. Oxygen is there, oxygen is oxidized. So will the internal metals, internal all things, they will electrolyze. Because this is an electrolysis water, it will actually react with the metals.
So what
So
he
the-
is saying, if you need a one tank on the top of your hostel, from there you
You
can
cannot store.
no you cannot, from tank you can supply to the your nozzle, and from there
tank will take actually lot of time 4 to 5 hours. So in the 5 hours that will lose all.
no you have to, in a water tank you store the water and let there be continuous flow, and student can come and just fill up this, and that is what he is saying. And that
Actually, we are supplying water in hostel in two manners. We are supplying it in different manners. We are supplying fresh water to the mess and the dining area in the morning and evening. That is the fresh water, and they are drinking that water. And we are supplying tube water and other water directly from the ground tanks to the toilet tanks and washroom tanks. They are two different supplies we are making.
Yeah, and that water we store somewhere.
Yeah.
When you supply morning, evening, then you store somewhere
That
that
is
water.
in water cooler and small tanks, sir. There are a few tanks.
Okay. So what happens if student go and drink in the afternoon? Let us say.
It is sufficient for them. It is sufficient. for them.
So we can connect that tank to this model, and then we can drink. That is what is the way. Means you need some stored water on the backside, and then you can take.
Does this remove bacteria, virus?
Before machine.
I'll come to that.
No, can you store the water in the tank and then you supply to this machine as input and then take out?
You are right. You are right. You are
So
right.
that is how we have. don't have to go for it.
Now one question.
Sir, can I just answer this question? Sir, you have asked that whether it removes all the bacteria or not. Sir, bacteria are of two types. Your brain is made of 80% bacteria, your intestines are made of bacteria. So the bacteria which actually harms are already killed in the electrolysis, right? जितने भी बैक्टीरिया आपके शरीर को हार्म पहुंचाते हैं ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस में किल हो जाते हैं या फिर आरओ जो ऑलरेडी लगा हो दिस इज नॉट एन अल्टरनेटिव टू आरओ सर रीजन नंबर 1 because it already needs a clean water it doesn't require
So
any
this
muddy
will
water.
actually operate in conjunction with RO.
Yes. So if your TDS is actually around 120 or 80, this will work with filters. You don't need RO. But if the TDS jumps to 400, 500, 1000 like in Noida, NCR, Gurgaon, you need an RO, you need a pump, then you install this
What
machine.
about DGV water is having very high TDS?
Then you require an RO. RO is having a similar.
Just this will increase the pH of that RO water. Right?
This will make the dead water live water. So the hydrogen which I showed you in the water, that was actually significant only to show you that this is dead water, this is live water.
Mostly RO is only H2O, nothing else. No calcium, no magnesium, nothing is there. And
one
TDS
thing
you will
is
find
that-
48, 49 in ROs.
40, 40, 50.
40 even 40.
40, 50.
So
That's all.
how will you get actually all these things?
And one more thing, it doesn't enhance your minerals, essential minerals which are needed is not there.
No sir, it enhances your minerals because the TDS which goes inside of 100, it has increased to 10 by 10. So 120 is going in, the exit TDS from this machine will be 130.
But
so
you are not adding
But already
anything.
RO has removed all those things. No?
Sir, उसमें RO में एक setting होती है. In every RO there is a setting where you can control the TDS.
Like is recommended वैसे भी in ROs that the TDS should be around 100 to 120 for minerals.
Right.
That,
So this is
that
the
I've kept in my
farm minerals.
in
It
our
doesn't actually kill
house.
bacteria. It doesn't
हाँ,
remove
उससे
bacteria,
bacteria से कोई नहीं होगा।
virus etc. It doesn't remove.
हाँ, वो नहीं।
Our problem in India is sewer line and drinking water line both run together. That is the problem, and anytime you may get infected anywhere.
Yeah.
That's why we are using RO for drinking. Otherwise, we are using tap water
Yeah.
for cooking etc. Because we boil it.
Yeah.
No, my question is, suppose does it enhances the natural mineral which are calcium, sodium,
Yes, exactly, right.
potassium?
Sir,
So
this
it-
water.
10 times it increases.
Yes, this water actually activates them.
No, but
If you
okay.
if you will see this water bottle, this is my water bottle continuously, and I'll just come and show you. Sir, इसमें आपको नीचे कुछ white white दिख रहा होगा,
Right.
right? Right. So this is an activated calcium. This is an activated calcium and magnesium that is there in my water. I don't remove it, though there is a process to remove it with citric acid. So cleaning those plates also requires citric acid that you get with the box for cleaning
No, I
after
mean
3
to
months.
say, do you add this
No,
minerals?
nothing is added. Nothing is added. The process is, this is a filter and these are plates. Plates never removed. Filter after 2 or 3 years removed and replaced because it is absorbing
But
chlorine.
from where that calcium is coming? That is
Sir, the
what I'm
water which you are
also-
getting, already calcium is there, magnesium is there, but they are in a dormant state. You need that electrolysis to actually activate them. Sir, now I come to you, sir. I apologize. Now you can ask.
See, this product is sold with so many benefits. Why it's not popular in market?
Why is it not?
Popular in market.
Who will popularize it, sir?
No. The popularizing is the advertisement.
Who
Who
will
will
do?
advertisement? A company will advertise.
See, no. I tell you one more thing about that. This water in my life or in my family's life has taken out all the medications. So if I am putting this machine at my place, who is the person who is not beneficial of that? Doctors, right? So the doctors, the FDA, everyone will not be benefiting by marketing this because they are already marketing tablets. This is
No,
already
no,
written
no,
in Killing Cancer Not People,
I
sir.
tell you, why don't you put in advertisement in TV channels or other things in the newspaper? Because otherwise nobody will trust or no, everybody will be afraid. If you give something and if I drink, what will happen? Right? You see, it's all laymen. They don't want electrolyte, all these things, and they don't want it. They do layman words. Okay. If it is coming in the newspaper and the TV and then it is popularized, even if you put it here, people will accept. Otherwise, nobody knows. They will say, we say these things, and nobody will be ready to take it.
I'll answer you the question in the same way you got to information is. Sir, you have the letter. So that letters we have already sent. That is the mode of advertisement. I have came here to give you the entire demo, which had lasted about an hour or so. So that can't be put it in an advertisement. You won't find not just this machine, you won't find advertisement of any of the ionizers. It will be just be that if someone has searched ionizers and he or she has given the number, then only that person will get a call. Because this technology, everyone has to be explained first. Why do they need it? Right? And so marketing is already done. That's why I'm here. I don't know you guys before. Neither Commander Mittal sir knew you guys before, but already here. So before you guys leave, sir, I'll just distribute one pamphlet which is having Commander Mittal's number at the back. So whenever you'll be requiring similar demo at your own place, so that we can check your water for your family, we can actually come. In fact, I'll actually personally come to you to give this demo.
Now, one more question. See, in villages, you can drink the well water with few, no need of any fear of any bacteria or other things. Pure water you can just drink. Normal, natural water, what is the difference between natural water and this water?
Right.
Very shortly.
Yeah, shortly. In villages, what is the density of population, if I may ask them?
1,000 people are there.
Yeah. And when we compare the same density in cities, what will be the population? 1 lakh, right? So in cities, if you have to supply the water, you will have to store the water, like the same example you told for your hostels, right? For storing the water, you will be needing to add the chlorine to kill the bacteria, because water is stagnant, it will die. It is dead, but bacteria, protozoa, all these will get in, right? So the water in the villages that you are referring to, so there are very less villages left where underground water, very less, is fresh to drink. Otherwise, all the pesticides, you might have heard about Punjab, where many of the industrialists are dumping the worst water they can have underground, so that they could save on the cleansing process of the water. There are many. So if we are saying that villages have the water, there are villages, you can go to Coimbatore, you can go to South India, where there is some sense how to use your resources, you will get there. But when you are in IIT Delhi at present, you only have this option. And now I come to your second part of the question, what is the difference? No difference. Because whenever I give you an example that agar aap jharne pe jaye, whenever you go to a waterfall, if the waterfall's height is more than 20 feet, the same thing has been verified by the scientists and even said by Isha founder Sadhguruji, Isha Foundation, that whenever the water, and in this book as well, Changing Water, I'll just give the forward the soft copies to you as well so you can read. He is a world's most famous nutritionist who has done experiments on this machine with 1,000 people. So he has written this 60-page small book. He has written that whenever the water falls and touches the rock, the electrons, the negative charge electrons get into the water and that water becomes electrolyzed. Same is happening here. Just the thing is, there no electricity is involved, but that gravity is involved. Water is involved with pressure, water is involved with pressure. There electrolysis is not happening, there naturally stone is giving you the electrons, just the similar way you were getting electrons when you were actually grounding yourself in mud bath. So the similar way electrolysis is happening and you are getting the water.
So I think we have understood, and I think this can be doable also in the hostel, as it's not like undoable. And price also, point is also okay. What we now want you to give a presentation to our, matlab we are persons who are looking after the whether it is a doable or not. So, but the major committee for making this decision is with our smart campus committee.
All right.
There are many people. So I will now try and talk with our DDSP to get it arranged, that committee's presentation before that committee, and then that committee will take final decision.
All right.
Okay, and we'll let you know when that is to be done.
Can you give me approximate timeline for that, like 1 month, 1 week, 2 months?
We'll forward in a day or two with our recommendation, and that
Alright.
committee will then organize and all when to do that.
All right.
I can't give timeline on their behalf.
No, I apologize to ask, sir. It was just so that I can reschedule myself for that, and I should be prepared for them as well.
No, there's no, we can't do it.
It's all right. I got your compulsion, and I respect that as well. Any other, Rao sir? Any other problems or any other things?
I think this is fine. Any other question anyone has? So I think so this can be fitted outside RO water.
Yeah. If the TDS is jumping more than 200. Oh.
No, not jumping. RO में तो कम हो जाएगा ना. So after RO you can put this.
Yeah.
So already in our existing system this can be plugged with. So that shouldn't be much problem. But it needs only electricity.
Electricity and pressure.
The pressure that will be there actually. To the storage down actually you can put it.
Then it's enough. Yeah.
So how much actually how do you need for this?
How much pressure you need?
3 meters is enough?
That is one actually
One floor.
one story, na?
Yeah, one floor.
So that is already there actually. They are at rooftop. So even at the topmost floor.
No, but RO, after RO the pressure becomes much less.
No, it's okay.
No, after RO you have to install the pump.
Okay.
क्योंकि RO में आप देखें, RO में already pipe ऐसा होता है, the pipe is such that the pressure is not that much.
No, we store the water actually. There are 5
RO water you store.
No, we store it's a 5,000 liter or what?
The one which is there.
So 5 ton का pressure already है. You already have 5,000 kg pressure at the 3 meter height. So you don't require anything.
3 meter height पे store है क्या आपका?
ऊपर rooftop पे.
टॉप रूफ पे है क्या?
RO का पानी आपका स्टोर
रूफटॉप पे हो रहा है.
RO
then there is no then there is no
रूफटॉप पे.
और नहीं तो फिर आपको पंप लगाना पड़ेगा. RO के मतलब कैसे करेंगे आप?
if
जैसे
he's
घरों में
saying
कैसे करते हैं?
if he's saying that it's at height,
नहीं वो तो हॉस्टल का हो गया, लेकिन घरों में अगर लगाना है.
घरों में तो सर, घरों में सर मैं अपना पर्सनली अगर बताऊं, मेरे घर में पंप नहीं लगा है, RO नहीं लगा है, because the TDS is equal 120 110. But if the TDS is more than that, then yes, pump लगेगा उसके आगे और RO लगेगा. I'll send you some images of that.
पीछे लगेगा ताकि
नीचे लगेगा. एंड उसमें हम कई बार ये भी करते हैं, इसकी इस मशीन के लिए स्पेसिफिकली फॉर दिस मशीन वी हैव डिजाइन्ड एन RO which goes underside as well and on top as well, which is having an inbuilt pump. So that RO is not built for normal dispensing. That RO is actually built for this.
हम लोगों के पास रहता ही है.
हाँ.
RO के बाद आपको एक पंप लगेगा प्रेशर बढ़ाने के लिए.
Yes.
लेकिन RO से तो कंटिन्यूअस आता नहीं ना, पानी बहुत कम थोड़ा आता है. तो पहले उसको स्टोर करना होगा, फिर उसके बाद उस पे पंप.
Sir, usually RO में I think so that is my knowledge up till कि 10 to 15 liters already stored रहता है ना. तो 10-15 लीटर जैसे ही आप टैप ऑन करेंगे, आपने एग्जिट पॉइंट से लेना है पानी.
हाँ, लेकिन वो टैप से रेट ऑफ फ्लो बहुत थोड़ा होता है.
We'll change the tap. टैप ही तो बदलना है सर.
अच्छा.
आप see already the pressure is there for 10-15 liters, so we have to change the tap. It could be आपने RO में देखा होगा, Kent RO में there is one tap on the front where you actually dispense. There is another tap in the bottom as well, where if you unlock it, वो tap वहाँ पे shift हो जाएगा. So natural pressure will come.
ठीक है then.
So at present, is there any way we can install this machine at this place, or you will be needing one more meeting for that? That you
No, no,
meeting you
that
know.
meeting has to be there.
That meeting has to be there. All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you guys for.